माननीय श्री GC Chandrasekhar, demand for expediting railway projects in Karnataka.
Sir, thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. Sir, I want to highlight the stalled railway projects in Karnataka's southwestern railway zone, including Hubli, Bengaluru, and Mysore. Despite of approval 13 projects, there has been very little progress. The projects which are not even started include Dharwad Yelavalagi direct line, Gadag Yelavalagi line approved in 2016-17, but it is still on the paper, sir. Hubli Ankola rail project, which could connect to Bailsime project, Shivamogga Chikaripura Ranebennur project, Hubli Sirsi Talaguppa rail line, Davangere Tumkuru railway project. Sir, additionally, the following new railway line proposals, which could transform connectivity to the region, have also been little progress, sir. Sir, Gadag Wadi, Tumkur Davangere via Chitradurga, Tumkur Raidurga via Kalyanadurga, Bagalkot Kurchi, Shivamogga Chikaripura via Ranebennur, Belagavi Dharwad via Kittur. Sir, and also Khadur, Chikmagalur, Hassan, Mangaluru, Palasamudra, Hassan, Bengaluru via Shravanbelagula, and also Hubli, Ankola, Gadag, Yelavalagi. Sir, and also the Mangaluru railway zone divided among Palghat, Konkan, and Southwestern railways. Although 75% of revenue for the Palghat division come from Mangaluru, the city does not have received adequate railway infrastructure and facilities in turn, sir. This imbalance must be rectified. And also, Honorable Sir, these projects are not impossible to implement. The primary roadblock remains the lack of coordination between the state and railway authorities. Sir, and also I urge the Railway Ministry to take immediate action on these pressing issues. The people of Karnataka deserve better connectivity, effective transport, and adequate railway development, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mani GC Chandrasekhar ji.